In the last video, we started working on our master bedroom. We envisioned a walk-in closet to make the space more practical and beautiful at the same time. We built a wall in the middle of the room, which would make the divide between the closet and the rest of the bedroom. We also started uplifting the room by painting all the walls and the window frames in warm, earthy tones. And we put up molding along the ceiling, which made it look that much more finished. This is where we were left off. Now it's time to build the closet, finish the wall with some beautiful wallpaper and start decorating to make it feel like home. Up next is the wallpaper for our feature wall, the wall we just built. So I chose a beautiful wallpaper. I'm really happy with it. I didn't see it in real life yet. It was a little bit exciting to see, but I'm really happy with it. It goes beautifully with the colors of the walls we have already. It's a kind of rope, so you can feel it. And it's stuck in a pattern, so it should be like a flower pattern, and I think it's going to be gorgeous. We're going to put it up on this wall and on both sides here as well. Let's go for it.
Look ahead, the sea is calm, and I know we've been through a lot, but just wait. For better days to come and carry us like wind in our sails. Hold on tight, I can smell the shore, it's right in front of us if we just hold on tight. This vision that I saw is getting closer every dawn. We are dreamers of the shore.
So on the bottom here we're going to have baseboards, of course, and also molding down here.
On this boat and we all know where we belong, just wait. Horizon, soon we'll be there. Hold on tight, I can smell the shore, it's right in front of us if we just hold on tight. This vision that I saw is getting closer every dawn. We are dreamers of the shore when we can't read the sky. We just sail with the wind that we've got. And when we're drowning in doubt, just keep on believing. We are dreamers of the shore.
This wallpaper turned out to be a little bit more tricky to apply than what we are used to, especially getting the pattern aligned, but also it looked like there was a color difference between each panel, even though it's from the actual same roll of wallpaper, which was a bit odd. The end result, however, looks stunning, and you obviously don't really see these detail issues anymore when it's all done. We did make a small mistake. Whoops! decided to go with a base from IKEA. We made the wall to fit exactly 3 of these cabinets side by side, and the height happened to be kind of perfect too. We worked well into the night to finish assembling the cabinets. It's the next day, and we were eager to see the finished result, so we put up some baseboards and molding. It's starting to look the part. The inside of the closet is not something to overlook. We made a detailed plan on how to arrange the drawers and shelves that we felt would work best. Although we didn't plan to, we also got the doors from IKEA. We originally wanted to custom make them, but these beige ones looked fine for us. We do think about painting them in the future, as the color is a bit different than we expected. So we've now finished building this cabinet wall and we're really happy with it. We still have to put on some handles, but we've got a little idea of what to do there. So now it's time to build this wall, and we also got cabinets for these, but straight cabinets. And as you can see, we have a tilted ceiling. So we're going to cut off a piece of the cabinet so that we can slide it in a little bit. So we've got quite a few cabinets to go, so let's get started on that. Interesting to see how these cabinets are made. Now that we cut the sides, we also have to cut the panel at the back, for which a simple box cutter will do the job. But it's looking good so far. It seems we are not ruining our cabinets and it will work. Yay! Now, let's see if we got the angle right. Of course, the ceiling is not perfect, as anything is never as straight or tilted as you would like or perhaps expect. But this will do. We will never see it anyway. We figured out a way to attach the top shelf to the sides of the cabinets to give it some stability, and we will also attach all the cabinets to each other, which will also help in that respect. Now that we are seeing the full scale of this closet, we are really pleased with it. There's going to be a lot of space for all our clothes, towels, sheets, etc. Also, the space between the cabinets is turning out to be sufficient. There is more than enough and it feels spacious. For this cabinet wall, we chose a different color for the doors, a dark walnut, which brings in a lot of warmth. So for the cabinet door handles, we're going to be using leather straps. I got these years ago from a small business for about 10 euros, a whole bunch of scraps that they had used, and I'm really still happy with this kind of handle. So I've got 3 different color options. I'm not going with black. I think that's not suitable, but I still have this brownish leather, which I think goes nice with the beige cabinets, but not really goes with the darker ones. I also have this natural pinkish leather, and I think that goes well with both. We're only going to put these on the 3 cabinet doors of the beige cabinets, and we're not going to put them on the darker ones. I think if we put handles on there, it's going to be a lot of handles, and I just like it the way it is right now. We're going to put in this push system, so you can just push the cabinet open without having any handle there. So I also got these little screws. I got them in black for the leather straps that we're going to attach right now. So let's do that. Let's quickly take a look at the situation of our bedroom before we got started with this makeover. Every wall was white. Even apart from the mess, it was just a gathering of things rather than a finished room. One of the first things I got were these lights for over the bed. I had immediately envisioned two lights on this wall, and I thought these had a nice color and shape. Besides the bed linen, I also got this plate to add some textured layers in the room. It's a woolen plate with different colors on each side, giving it something extra. I already had this light and it fits perfectly in this niche that was already here. I wanted a beautiful artwork to go on the wall, and I came across this wonderful painting. I could download it from an Etsy store, which I link below, and then have it printed myself. I think it adds some depth, and the colors are just perfect with the color on the wall. I really love it. Over here we have two beds stacked on top of each other for when we have people staying over. But with this plate and cushions, I'm hoping to create a cute couch-like area. I think this corner might need some more, but that will grow over time. The door is something we still have to tackle. Painting it and a new door handle will do wonders. In the coming videos, we'll be giving our son's room a makeover as well as the downstairs bathroom, so be sure to like and subscribe so you don't miss a thing.